Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm 25 years old, and I'm from the United States. I'm a student, and I'm here to learn how to introduce myself in English. I've always been fascinated by the way people from different cultures introduce themselves, and I've noticed that even a simple greeting can reveal so much about a person's background, personality, and values. My friend Maria is from Brazil, and when she introduces herself, she always says, "Hi, I'm Maria. Nice to meet you," with a big smile on her face, and I think that's a great way to start a conversation. I also have a friend, Ahmed, who's from Egypt, and when he introduces himself, he says, "Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmed," which means peace be upon you in Arabic, and I think it's a beautiful way to show respect and kindness. I've also tried to introduce myself in English, but I always feel a bit nervous, so I've made a few mistakes like saying, "My name's Sarah, I'm from the United States, nice to meet you too," but it doesn't sound quite right, you know? I think the key is to be confident, speak clearly, and use simple language like, "Hi, I'm Sarah, nice to meet you," or "Hello, I'm from the United States, I'm a student," and then you can ask the other person, "And what about you?" or "What brings you here?" And that's how you can start a conversation and get to know each other better. I've also learned that it's not just about saying the right words, it's also about the way you say them, like with a smile, a friendly tone, and good body language, like making eye contact, standing up straight, and using open and relaxed gestures. I hope these tips can help me and you to feel more confident when introducing ourselves in English. Now let's practice together. I'll start. "Hi, I'm Sarah.